Hi, welcome to my channel, Find a Pick. Today we are going to have a look at this Fort Knox 2. Right, let's see if we can pick Fort Knox open. Let's first have a look and see. Again, no key. It's locked up. Let's see if we can feel what these pins feel like. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a 5 pin now. It's a fairly open keyway, so we'll go with this wiper twisted tensioner, light tension, and let's have a feel. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3 is binding a little, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. Come back to the front. 1, nothing on 2. I don't know if you noticed there, it's a bit of a movement on 3, 4, 5. It's like 5 is sticking. Go back to 1. Wait, let's offset this again. Let's try again. 3 on 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's change our pin, our picking. Let's see if we can go with a slightly bigger one. Slightly deeper. Maybe we're not getting enough depth in here. Let's try there. Start the back. A bit of movement. Two, 3, 5, 4, 3 is binding, 3, 2. Okay, this maybe let's change our tensioner. Let's see if we can use the other tensioner and other hook, different hook, tensioner. Start from the front, work our way to the back. I can't get behind the pins. There we go. It's movement. No, can't get behind the pins with that one. Let's try this one. Tension moves around a little bit in here. Okay, light tension. See if we can get this back. Seems like I'm just scraping the pins here. Alright, locked. You can open anytime now if you want. And we have success. There we go. That's number 5 that was catching us. We have Fort Knox cracked. Let's hope Fort Knox uses bigger locks than this to secure all the gold. It's Fort Knox. That was an enjoyable pick. I enjoyed it. I'm going to practice more. Yes, it definitely gets easier the bigger your keyway, more space for you to work in, and yeah, definitely it's actually quite good, solid feeling lock, not too bad, nice long shackle. Let's see. Okay, next time we're going to pick this Sandlick 266 and hardened. Oh, it's been through the wars. Maybe we'll clean it up a little bit. See if we can get this picked. Alright, stay tuned, coming, and stay safe, stay legal, stay with us, like, check, share, follow, subscribe, leave your comments please, give me improvements, show me where I can use these shimmies, what kind of lock, help me out here. Let's do this together, help my journey. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.